Hi, a couple of weeks ago when gold was up here, I said that I would be looking for a pullback and I would be a buyer at 1920, I think it was, and it missed my entry by a handful of points. However, silver, I also spoke about silver at the time, and this was a perfect entry for me. I've left the fib as it was, so silver was up here, and I explained if it pulled back to 50% fib, the weekly 200 EMA and previous major support and resistance, I would be a buyer of silver at $22, and it came down to 21.88, so that's not bad. Spookily accurate again. Now, what has it done? It has now moved up 10%. However, it has stopped at the trend line, and this may well be a reversal candle at the end of the week. So let's see how the week ends as to whether we're going to get a further move on. But a spookily accurate entry once again on a pullback for multiple reasons.